G'day, it's Ben here from Pitstop, a place where we like to move fast and fix things. And today's question is, I've got a disability. What's the best computer for me? This is a really good question. It's something that we actually get asked quite a lot here at Pitstop. Now, I started my career over 20 years ago teaching a blind fella how to use a computer. Now, one of the bigger things back then was having letters come in. How does he read a letter that's been turned up? So he's blind since birth. So we taught him how to use a scanner, how to use special software on the computer, which then would read that letter back to him. Also pieces of software called JAWS particularly, that allows you to use a computer with very limited sight. So it actually basically reads back to what you're doing on the computer. There's also people who have low vision, so we can get better keyboards with bigger keys and such like that. Maybe you have more of a physical disability, so there's actually computer equipment that we can supply which able to fill that gap. But then actually allows you to use the internet and do other things which all of us seem to love and enjoy. So there you go, there's your answer. Any more questions, give us a yell, but we're happy to help you, and we'll see you in the next video.